Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Justworks for workers' compensation add-on setup easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, go to the Justworks website. Log in to your Justworks account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard once you're logged in. Look for the workers' compensation section in the menu. Click on the workers' compensation link. You will see the option to add on workers' compensation coverage. Select the Add Workers' Compensation button. Review the information provided about coverage options. Choose the appropriate plan that fits your needs. Fill in the required details about your business and workforce. Make sure to accurately input the number of employees. Review the information for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button. You may be prompted to provide additional information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Review the pricing details for the selected coverage. If satisfied, proceed by clicking the Confirm Purchase button. After confirming, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email for any further instructions from Justworks. Once everything is confirmed, you are now set up with workers' compensation coverage. Congratulations, your Justworks account is ready with the workers' compensation add-on. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.